You giving him hell. You giving that Christmas bear hell, huh? Mom, you don't know what all he's been doing while I was at work today. Yeah, he was doing all kinds of mischief. He needs a good humping. He needs a good humping to show him who's boss. Be careful you don't fall off the bed, you little goof goof. You little goof goof. I think we need to find perhaps some of these characters need to go back in their toy box. How about these things? These things right there. Can we put those in the toy box? That'd be okay? Yep, I could put those in your toy box. Then what do we got left? We've got Christmas bear, we got the squirrel, hedgehog, which I love hedgehog so much. Turtle, I think turtle can go in that toy box. No? Okay, well we got rid of some of them at least. There's your big bone. Okay. Are you a monkey? Are you a monkey? Is that what a monkey is? Is that a monkey? I don't know why he goes and why he has to hump the shit out of his stuffed animals, or especially Christmas bear, when we get home from work every night. You do though, don't you? You do. You do. You silly monkey. Everything okay? You got all the business taken care of? Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy.